Do you know that about 250,000 starving Biafran children were sent to different countries during the Nigerian Biafran War? Who were these children? Who paid and organized their airlifts? Why were they airlifted and how? How many came back and what happened to the rest? Relief to the Biafra'S came mainly from Joint Church Aid, JCA, an association of religious relief agencies operating from the Portuguese island of São Tomé off the coast of Nigeria, and from the International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, based in neighboring Equatorial Guinea. The unofficial Catholic charity organization, Caritas, also sent relief supplies from São Tomé. The French Red Cross operated relief flights from Libreville, Congo. Save the date. On May 30th, 2024, marking the 57th anniversary of the Declaration of the Republic of Biafra, our YouTube channel, School of Wisdom, will start the Biafra War online memorial project. We will show you a series of researched reports on the lost children of Biafra who were sent out of Biafra for survival. Many never came back. A tragic chapter from the late 60s where the Nigerian Civil War orphaned thousands. We will narrate detailed stories of their journeys of survival to Gabon, Ivory Coast, São Tomé and Principe and more. Despite the odds, these brave souls sparked a resilience that still resonates today, a testament to the enduring human spirit. Their stories are a strong reminder of the cost of conflict. Are your relatives one of these children? Please contact us and tell us your Nigerian Civil War stories in support of our online Biafra'S Civil War Memorial Project. Remember, history isn't just dates and facts, it's about people, it's about us and our nation. Nobody should despise the importance of history. Please tell us your views and share. Visit our YouTube channel, School of Wisdom, to watch the complete story of these children.